running and cycling. Both activities offer incredible benefits, but they also come with their own sets of considerations. In this comprehensive report, we'll explore the pros and cons of each activity, examining their impact on your health, wallet, and the environment. We'll delve into the science behind their cardiovascular and muscular benefits, weigh the costs and accessibility factors, and even hear from real people who swear by running or cycling. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, our aim is to provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision about which activity is right for you. So, lace up those running shoes or grab your helmet, and let's get started. Running and cycling are renowned for their positive impact on cardiovascular health. Both activities elevate your heart rate, strengthen your heart muscle, and improve blood circulation. This translates to a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular complications. Running, being a higher impact activity, generally burns more calories per hour compared to cycling. This can be advantageous for those looking to lose weight or improve their body composition. The constant pounding of the pavement also helps increase bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis later in life. Cycling, on the other hand, offers a lower impact workout that's gentler on the joints. This makes it a suitable option for people of all ages and fitness levels, including those with pre-existing injuries or conditions that limit high-impact activities. The ability to cover longer distances on a bike also makes it ideal for exploring new places and enjoying scenic routes. While both running and cycling engage multiple muscle groups, they target them in slightly different ways. Running, being a weight-bearing activity, primarily works the muscles in your legs, core, and glutes. It builds lower body strength and power, contributing to improved balance, coordination, and stability. Cycling, with its focus on pedaling, primarily targets the muscles in your legs, particularly the quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves. It also engages your core muscles to maintain balance and stability on the bike. The use of different gears and terrains allows cyclists to tailor their workouts to focus on building endurance or strength. Neither activity is particularly known for building upper body strength, so incorporating additional exercises or activities into your routine is essential for overall muscular balance. Strength training, swimming, or yoga can complement your running or cycling routine and prevent muscle imbalances. Section 4. Cost and accessibility. Gearing up for action. When it comes to cost, running generally takes the lead as the more affordable option. All you really need is a good pair of running shoes and you're good to go. Of course, you can invest in specialized clothing, GPS watches, and other accessories, but they're not strictly necessary, especially for beginners. Cycling, on the other hand, can require a more significant financial investment up front. The cost of a decent bike, helmet, lights, and other essential gear can add up quickly. However, once you've made the initial investment, the ongoing costs are relatively low, especially compared to gym memberships or other fitness classes. Accessibility is another factor to consider. Running can be done virtually anywhere, anytime, with no need for special facilities or equipment. Cycling, however, requires access to safe and bike-friendly roads, trails, or indoor cycling studios. This can be a limiting factor for people living in urban areas with heavy traffic or limited cycling infrastructure. Section 5. Environmental impact pedaling towards sustainability. In an era of increasing environmental awareness, it's important to consider the ecological footprint of our chosen activities. Both running and cycling are considered to be environmentally friendly forms of exercise, especially compared to driving to a gym or participating in activities that require a lot of energy or resources. Running, being a human-powered activity, has virtually no direct environmental impact. However, the production and disposal of running shoes can contribute to waste and pollution. Opting for shoes made from sustainable materials or repairing your shoes instead of replacing them can help minimize your environmental impact. Cycling is also a low-impact activity, especially if you choose to ride a traditional bicycle. However, electric bikes, while offering numerous benefits, do require electricity for charging, which can contribute to your carbon footprint depending on your electricity source. Section 6. Testimonials. Real voices from runners and cyclists. To gain a well-rounded perspective, we spoke to real people who are passionate about running and cycling. Sarah, running has been a life changer for me. It's helped me lose weight, gain confidence, and explore my city in a whole new way. John, I love the freedom and adventure that cycling provides. I can cover long distances, enjoy the fresh air, and it's a great way to stay in shape without putting too much stress on my joints. Emily, I used to be intimidated by running, but I started with short distances and gradually increased my mileage. Now I look forward to my runs and it's become an important part of my routine. David, cycling is a great social activity. We go on group rides every weekend and it's a fantastic way to meet new people and stay motivated. Section 7. Conclusion. Finding your perfect fitness fit. In the battle of running versus cycling, There is no clear winner. Both activities offer a plethora of physical, mental, and environmental benefits. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your individual preferences, goals, and lifestyle. If you're looking for a high-impact workout that burns maximum calories, strengthens your bones, and requires minimal equipment, running might be your ideal match. If you prefer a lower-impact option that's gentler on your joints, allows you to cover longer distances, and offers a sense of adventure, cycling could be your perfect fit.